Welcome, in front of me is a Honor View 20, and today I will show you how to import contacts from your SIM card to the device. Now to get started, you want to open up the dialer, go to your contacts, and from here tap on the three dots and navigate to settings. In settings, you should see the import export option, so choose that, and from here you want to select import from SIM cards because that's where our contacts are located at. And once you do, you'll see all the contacts that are located on that SIM card. As you can see, for me, there is only 6 different contacts, and you can tap select all if you want to, and this will select all the contacts. If, for instance, you just want majority of them, then you can deselect ones that you don't want. Once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, tap on import, and you'll get 2 options, or 1 depending if you're logged in to Google. As you can see, I'm logged into a Google account, so it also allows me to import to that account instead of the phone, but we're going to be importing it to the phone anyway. So that's what I'm going to tap on, and we're basically done. Now it doesn't give us any notification that it has imported the contact, but you can see that they're basically here. Now there's also the icon that you can see on the side, and those are the contacts that are located on the SIM card. There should be only 6 of them, and then also our contacts that are from the Google account right here. That's why there's so many. But that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.